Y'all seen me a couple weeks ago. I built a little form over here on the other side over here out of my way and poured a little slab of cement, basically about a 10 by 10 with rebar on a 12-inch grid pattern. And I got it where I can pick it up and move it around. So I'm gonna bring it over here where it'll be closer to my air compressor and paint gun, different stuff for this little project. This is just a little project I'm doing on the side. You know, I like messing with trucks, and I got a bunch of old truck parts, extra stuff laying around here in my way. I have to keep moving it around, so I'm just going to build something in my spare time here and there where I can use the truck parts and get them out of my way and make something out of nothing. So we're going to level this out where I can set the slab on it. We're going to go from there. So whatever I build on it, you know what I mean, I'm going to go off of the cement slab. It's going to be level, so I'll just take my measurements off the cement slab. And if I got my pipes on it, you know, I can lean them where I want them and get them level. That way when I take it down there and set it, when I get done with it, it's level. So my question is to you, is why did you come around here if you want to rate? Cement over there. Tell you what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crank that machine up and just ride back and forth over it and smash it down. So what we did here, we just took the machine. We ain't got no compactor out here for this little bit of mess. So we just took the tracks on the machine and we just kind of rode back and forth on it just to kind of tighten the soil up just a little bit. It don't have to be compacted that much. That little slab of cement probably don't weigh 5,000 pounds, maybe. I don't know, maybe a little more. But we're going to end up moving it away from here. We just want it temporary to be able to sit, not give a little and be leaning one way, because when I build whatever I'm gonna build here, I need a level slab so I can take measurements off of it. There you need a little bit of dirt in that hole. That's a hole there. It don't have to be a specific, lined up with something specific. It don't matter where it's at elevation wise as long as it's level. We don't have to go by a certain mark. What I'm trying to do is create the least amount of work. We just need some dirt in that hole.
That's the same taste you just had, right? Thanks, why you still got that t-shirt on with that? Like I understand that one's thin, it moistens, like it weakens moisture. It seems like the top t-shirt will make it hot.
Don't. That ain't really like a shirt, though. That ain't really like a shirt. I mean, if you're a fitness fella, you just do nothing but exercise.
So what does the t-shirt do?
Not do nothing. It's just your regular shirt. I mean, it'd be the same if you put one of them on and go to town with one of them on. You know what I mean? It's not a shirt you're wearing tight, skin tight like that.
No, I understand that. Like it's not an athletic shirt. But like,
well, it's an athletic shirt. But I mean, if you ain't athletic built, you don't wear just a shirt like that. Titty nipples all showing and your fat rolls. That's like them big. And I don't really need a sign, but since I got the decoration, I might as well put my name up there. You know? Yeah. And I'm gonna take the time to do it. It ain't gonna be that much more effort to put my name up there on it. Basically just say, hey, this is me. This is what the inside of my mind looks like. When I see stuff, this is what I see. When I look at something, a piece of pile of mess, I see stuff like this. Let me show you about the truck here while we get ready to move this slab of concrete. What we got here is a 2005 Kenworth T800. I rebuilt this truck back a couple years ago. I still got a couple little things I want to do to it, but it's got a Fosse F800 XP knuckle boom crane on it, remote control, flatbed, air suspension. It's a tri-drive, full tri-drive truck with 4 lockers on it. Caterpillar engine, C15 with an 18-speed transmission. It's a pretty stout truck. Check. Might have to block it up a little bit because the bottom of that concrete ain't flat like the top. Slab, wedge it up, drill it, and wedge it up. Close. I'm gonna have to tap on it a little bit.